To begin a pallet measurement, we'll first locate the dimensioning icon, which is located to the right of the dimensioning fields. Next, we'll navigate to the Pallet Measurement Method, which is going to be located on the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a 1 and a 2 icon listed at the top right corner of the screen. This will indicate which step of the two-step pallet process you're on. To begin the first step of the pallet process, you'll begin by centering yourself on the first face of the pallet, roughly 6 to 8 feet away. This could change depending on the size of the pallet, and one quick way you can know how close you should be is if the pallet is blending in with the environment around it, you're probably too far away, and if you're too close and it's cutting off the edges of the pallet, you're probably too close. 6 to 8 feet is generally going to be a safe range. A few other things to look out for is going to be how close the pallet is to other pallets and other objects. We're looking for roughly 1 to 2 feet away from other pallets and other objects to ensure the system doesn't jump back and forth between them. And it can also do wrapped and unwrapped pallets. So to begin, I will center the system at the face of the pallet, centered on, and boom, just like that, we've got our first capture. And then I'll hit the green check mark and then hit continue to step 2, where I can walk to the second face of the pallet and repeat the same process. For quick reference, something like this would probably be too high, and something like this would probably be too low. If I center on, again keeping that 6 to 8 foot distance away, and I find that right spot, boom, it'll capture just like that, and you've completed the second step of the two-step pallet process.